Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today is September 25th and I'm up green on the day again. Feels really good. Two green days in a row. I'm just trying to go for everyday green day this week. At this point, I don't really care how much I make in profits. I just want to build my confidence as a trader, and I just want to build that smaller cushion, get it bigger and bigger. When trading a small account, it's really difficult, probably one of the hardest things you'll do in day trading, simply because your back is always against the wall. Like, subconsciously, if you make the wrong trade, if you make the wrong move, you can completely blow up your account. So that's pretty much what this channel is all about, just to show that even though your back is against the wall, if you trade properly, if you manage your risk properly, you can be successful in trading. And that's what I'm here to do. That's what I'm here to prove, basically. So yeah, just traded one stock today. It was a recent IPO, opened up today actually. VIOT, bit of a pricier stock. It's around $10, so only took like 500 shares. Saw the dip, just bought into it. Didn't get filled right where I wanted to, but hey, I just sold for a quick pop, made $45 on the name. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna break it all down for you guys. Alright, what's going on, guys? So let's break down today's trade that I took for today. Honestly, the market, I didn't really see a lot that I liked, hitting the gates at 9:30. There was a lot of momentum, but there was a lot of momentum in the stocks that are like low in price value, like JAGX. This one definitely had the volume. It had a lot of volume. We were up there in like, the millions, 2 millions. So the volume's definitely there, but with low price stocks like this, if it's under $3, SureTrader doesn't give you buying power. I can't use this buying power. So really, I'm limited to just this amount of equity to trade the stock, and it's just as volatile as it was, because it was very, very volatile. The volume was just pouring in. I just didn't really think I could manage my risk, and I just didn't think it was worth my time trading. And that was true for a lot of stocks that popped up on my scanners today. So I was just pretty much just taking it pretty cautious today. One stock that really pointed out to me was EDRY. This one was crazy, honestly. It popped up on my scanners at like 9. It popped up at 9:50 on my scanners, so it popped up right around here. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, okay, there's not really that much volume. But then all of a sudden, just takes off and gets halted off of like 13 or like 20,000 shares. I was like, what the hell? What's going on? So I watch it, and this thing is just like, it opens, just grinds up and halts again. Does it again. It grinds all the way to $13. I mean, and look at that. Again, this thing, it just was really weird. Hindsight is 2020. Oh man, I should have bought it here at $7. I would have made thousands of dollars. But honestly, there really isn't, with such a small account that I have, there really isn't any way to, manage your risk on something like this. Say I got in right here, I literally would have lost, $3 per stock.
Interesting.
I can't weather a loss like that. You know what I mean? So, maybe down the road when I have thousands of dollars that I can, put on the table, then maybe we'll talk about that. But stocks like that are just very, very risky especially for a beginner trader. So I stayed away from it. And honestly, I was gonna just, not even trade today. I have to finish a paper, so I was just getting ready to walk away. But then VIOT pops up on my scanner, and I look at it. It's an IPO. It opened up today, and I was like, oh, okay, this is pretty interesting. Let me take a look at it because I've never traded an IPO before. So I watch it, and it was really weird watching the charts, because all the charts were the same. The daily chart, I watched it right here. The daily chart, the 5-minute chart, the 1-minute chart, it all had this candle. There was no chart patterns because, this stock just opened. So none of this was here at the time. So I'm just watching it, looking for a possible entry. And I seen this right here. It pulled back to VWAP. I tried getting in right here, but again, my hotkeys for SureTrader are just they're messed up. and I don't get filled when I want to get filled. So if I yeah, so I tried getting it at 10.17, it didn't fill me, and then this thing, ends up pulling right back up there. A quick pop. I would have been able to sell it and make a decent amount of money, but no, Shirt Trader, once again, just keeps, fucking me over. So, yeah, that's pretty annoying. It's happened before, and I tried contacting them, and they haven't gotten back to me. It's really starting to get annoying, but yeah. So right here, um, I put a limit order out for 10.25 because I felt like this was going to pull back. Honestly, I mean, there's no way to know that it was going to pull back more. I put the limit order here because it was VWAP. So, you know, hindsight, I should have waited just a little bit longer. To, I would use my hotkey to hit the bid right here, but my hotkeys don't work. So I was like, okay, I guess I got to use limit orders. Um, but basically, yeah, so I just get in here, goes down a little bit, then grinds up. I was really iffy about this one because this candle broke the low of this right here. So when I seen that, yeah, see, so it breaks this, it makes new lows, and it's under VWAP. So I was getting really nervous and saying maybe I should just sell it because it's gonna be downtrending now. So as soon as I seen some green on the table, I just decided to walk away. And sure enough, it just ends up pretty much selling off right after that. So you know it really did just, well, it was like a sniper. I just quick scoped this trade pretty much. Seen an opportunity, got in, got out. But yeah, making after commissions $34. I mean, that's obviously not anything to brag about. So yeah, I mean, for right now, my main goal is just to be green. So I'm happy I'm green. Happy I didn't lose money. That's pretty much what I need to do for right now. I just need to build my confidence up a little bit higher. I know all the rules to trading, but I just need to execute properly, and that's the main thing I'm focused on. Once I get the proper executions in, once I build that cushion up, I probably will feel more confident to take some more share size, take on some more risk. But for right now, I just building that account up slowly. Hopefully we can get to $1,500 by the end of the week. I don't know, but being green is my main concern right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now, guys. Like I said, I gotta go write a paper. So don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Like I said, this account challenge is pretty much to prove that you can be a successful trader, just as being an average regular Joe. Like I'm not, I'm just this college student. I didn't learn any of this in college. I learned all this online on YouTube, just Googling a whole bunch of stuff, and all the information is free. It's just a matter of piecing it all together, figuring out what you need to do, and just executing. That's all it really is. So yeah, like I said, subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, and hit the comment section if you have, like I said, any tips for me, or if you have any questions for me regarding the trades that I take. All right, see you guys tomorrow.